welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 quick and easy hairstyles for long hair, medium hair, short hair that will last you through the summer. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. So the first look I'm going to be doing today is the Ariana Grande inspired half up, half down, big voluminous ponytail. And I was actually inspired by this because past like 5 years or so, everybody's always called me Ariana Grande. So I used to wear my hair like this all the time. I haven't in a while, but I figured I'd show you guys how to do it real quick. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a hair tie, a brush, some sort of texture or dry shampoo if you have it, and some bobby pins. The first thing you're going to want to do, as always, is just brush out your hair. And then for this look, the key is to get volume at the crown of the head and pull all of this back. So I'll show you from the front and then the back. So I pull it right about at where my eyes are. Pull it back. And for this look, I will kind of slick up the top. Not perfectly. I don't like that look really with any style. But you'll kind of pull it up. Make sure you've got it tight right here. Kind of gives her signature look. And she's got it real tight up here. Then I'll let you see the back. Kind of split it in half. Just pull it up like this. Make sure it's nice and high and tight. And then you will make sure to keep your ponytail nice and tight as well. I wrap it around about 3 times just to make sure it's secure. And then you'll pull it tight up here. And the key with this one is the volume at the top, right up here. So you might get some bumps, and that's perfectly fine. You can always spray those down or use bobby pins. And I'll just pull it to the front. Now, if you don't have long hair like I do, you can always do extensions, or you can even do it with short hair. It doesn't have to be long hair. And then I will just kind of tease the back. You can use a comb for this look, but I'm able to actually tease it with just a brush. Just kind of brush the ponytail up. I kind of try and do it in the center like this. Just kind of back comb it and then pull it up, let you see the back. And the last little thing that I do for this look, so I've noticed she's actually done it, is I will take a little piece from my ponytail and then wrap it around my ponytail just to kind of complete the look. Instead of having a ponytail showing, it seems like she always has her hair showing right here instead. Kind of looks like I Dream of Jeannie also. Then you will just secure that with a bobby pin. And then just throw in some texture spray. Now this does have a few bumps, but I don't really mind that look, so I'm just going to keep them. And there you've got it. Doesn't take long at all. Alright guys, so the second quick hairstyle I'm going to do is a high voluminous ponytail. Pretty similar to the last one, but for this one you'll put all of your hair up. So I will start by just brushing my hair up and then brushing the back like this. And for all these looks, as you can see, I did curl my hair prior to. That will just give you more volume throughout all these looks and help it to stay. So this one, again, I don't want it to be perfect, but I do want it to hold. So I will simply just pull it up like this. Same kind of thing, kind of pulling tightly at your eyes like this. For this one, I like to go as high as I can. So I will pull it up like this. And then again, secure it 3 times, like so. And then I will pull it up and pull it tight at the top. And then the key with this one is to make it a little bit more voluminous. So I will take a bobby pin, secure it at the ponytail. And what you'll do is you'll actually put the bobby pin into part of the ponytail. So it kind of bumps out like this. And as you can see, it just gives it a little bit extra volume. And if you want, you can even do 2 bobby pins like that. So I'll show you this side. Take it again, And what I like to do is I'll take a little section from the bottom of the ponytail and I will include that with the clipped in piece and with the ponytail like this. So you've got a piece of hair clipped under the ponytail as well as a bobby pin. And then even just right there, you can see it just adds a little bit more volume. Now for this look, you can also pull down some pieces if you'd like. I do sometimes. I usually just do my sideburns. And then again, you'll want to tease this. You could also do 2 ponytails. So in the past, I've done a smaller ponytail down here and then done a higher ponytail, so it gives you more volume. But I find it works enough just with one. And the key here is just tease, tease, tease. And I don't really do like a pretty tease. I kind of just roughen it up. And you really want to tease it right up here at the root. Alright, so it's going to look kind of messy. And then again, like the Ariana Grande hairstyle, you will take another strand of hair from your ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail itself. I do it until I'm out of hair. That way the ponytail is completely covered. Takes me a while. And then again, you will just bobby pin that securely in the back, like so. You can see that also helps with just giving it a little bit more boost of volume. And that is the second look. Quick, easy, gets the job done, and then it'll stay like this all day. Alright guys, so for the third look, you'll actually just keep your hair in a ponytail how it already is. And this one is going to be the braided bun. So all you will do is just do a normal braid. I'll braid it this way so you guys can see it better. Make sure it's brushed out so you're able to braid it. Alright, and then I will just secure it with one of our elastic rubber bands. Kind of getting this Lara Croft vibe right now with my hair like this. Kind of like it. I don't usually do a braid this high, but I actually really like it. So, if you wanted to, keep it like this. So then I will loosen up the braid just a little bit just to give that more volume. And then all you're going to do is just wrap it on the top of your head into a bun. And then just secure it with a bobby pin. And you can leave it like this. I actually really like this, and then I always just do the sideburns down like this just to give it a little bit more something. Pull down some of my baby hairs because I personally like that look. And you can always loosen it up. Fix it if you want to. This piece is sticking out a little bit, so I'm going to tuck that in just a little bit. And that's the completed look. Again, super, super easy. Alright guys, so this next look is one of my favorites, and I work in an office at work, so I wear this to work anytime I don't want my hair down. So for this look, I'll just spray some more texture spray. We're going to want to get as much volume as possible. So this one is a low, and I always butcher this word, chignon. Yeah, you can laugh at me because I still don't know how to say that word. But it's super easy. All you'll need for this one is a ponytail and then possibly some bobby pins if you need to secure it. So for this one, all you're going to do is go to create a low ponytail like you normally would. And then I'll loop this one around twice. Except the second time, you will take about, I would say maybe a quarter of your hair out. Leave the second half out like this. So you got this real funky looking bun ponytail. And then you'll take the bottom section that's more of a ponytail, and I like to twist it a little bit. And you will just twist it and wrap it around that bun. So now you've got this nice little bun. and then you will secure it with a bobby pin. This one sometimes I have to mess with to make it look how I want it. So like this one, I would probably pin the bottom portion to the back so it's not sticking out so much. It's good for work if you're wanting to look a little bit more dressed up, or you can kind of loosen it up for more of a casual look. And then again for this one, pull some pieces out just to kind of make it a little bit more summery. That's how it looks. I actually like to put in some barrettes. I got these today actually from Walgreens, little gold barrettes, because I don't like the old school like snap barrettes. Funny story, be careful with these, because before I started the video and I was trying to use them, I put it in my hair and I ripped out this piece of my hair. This was down to here and I ripped it out. So these are very tight, so just be very careful when you're taking them out that they're open all the way and you're not pulling them out like I did. Otherwise you'll get this. So with this, you could really put these anywhere. I like these just to kind of liven up a look. You put it on the side like this. If you want more of that look. And it comes with 4, so you can use all of them if you wanted to. So I personally would probably just stack them. And then you can just wear it like this. So this is how I would probably wear it. I could even wear it like this to work just to kind of dress it up for the day. And there you have it. Alright, so the next hairstyle I'm doing was actually inspired by Hair by Chrissy on Instagram. If you're not following her, you should. She does amazing braids and color, and she's just awesome. But this is the mermaid braid. So for this look, you'll need to make sure your hair is fully brushed out, which I already did, and then you'll need lots of the little elastic bands. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, and I'll show you from the back so you can see better, you'll just want to take 2 strands from the midsection, and what you'll want to do is just put those into a normal little ponytail. And you'll want to do it a little bit looser. And for this look, I only wrap it around twice because again, these are very thin elastic bands. And the key to this is leaving space in between each different ponytail. So what you're going to do is take this ponytail and you'll actually just tuck this into the little gap that you've made. Like this. It's easiest to pull it from underneath. So you'll take it like this and then pull it under so it'll lay like this. And then you're going to do the same thing all the way down your hair. If you have shorter hair, this won't take you as long, but it takes me a little bit longer because I have a lot more hair. So you'll take the next section down, do the same thing, grab a piece, and you'll leave that previous section down right here. You won't need to touch that. And again, grab another elastic band, tie it, and wrap it around twice. Or once, depending on your hair type. And then again, you will loop this through the ponytail you just made and let it go. So again, doing the same thing. You'll grab the section underneath the last ponytail you've made, pull it together, and it's really your preference the size of the little ponytails that you want to make. And you could always use extensions for this look as well. You leave a little opening. You want to make sure it's loose enough that you can pull the hair through. You will pull your hair through that opening. Again, it's not perfect. You won't pull it together till the end, so it's going to look funny, but that's okay. You'll get faster the more you do this, and the further down you go. Just take some time. And the rubber bands that I got are from Walgreens. They're called the little poly bands. They have the large ones or small. I do small. Large ones are a little too big. Your arms are going to start to hurt after a while. But that's okay. Once you've got this look, I start to kind of pull it out and loosen it up a little bit. I'll start to show you how it's supposed to look. Just grab each individual piece. And then once you've got this, you'll start all over again. And then It starts to get a little bit thicker as you go down, but I still try and do at least 2 wraps around. Pull it out, loosen it up, and pull it through. And if I wasn't doing this on camera, I would be a lot quicker at it. So you do get faster. And I'll do it this way. Since it's so far down, it's kind of hard to do it, and my hands will be in the air towards the ending. And then you will pull it through the loop. Then I think I'm just going to do one more. So I will grab this bottom section. Tie it in a knot, pull it up just a little bit, and then put it through the loop. You could always braid it if you wanted to stop. You could always braid this part down, which I typically like to do. I'll take these and then just do a normal braid halfway down, like so. And it's so much easier when you have these elastic bands instead of using huge clunky ponytails. And I can fishtail, but it takes me a long time, so I'll do that in a different video if you guys would like. The key for this look is a messy mermaid styled hair. It's okay if you have some pieces that hang out. Alright, and then again, if you want to just add a little something to this look. I don't know why, I just love that look. And there you have it. That's the finished look. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you give any of these a try, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.